Hi friends, this is Mangal and Muralidharan talking from India. I'm going to talk to you about integrated writing task in TOEFL today. What should we keep in mind when we try to prepare for integrated writing task in TOEFL examination? It's very important for you to consider all the aspects of TOEFL integrated writing task by looking into various aspects of the task. The task, for example, is going to talk about democratic system of voting in a particular country. Then we'll have to look at the lecture there. There is a lecture delivered. It goes for about 3 minutes, so you will have to listen to it for about 2 to 3 minutes and try to understand what it is all about. In addition to it, there will be a passage given there on that particular topic. So you just get to know what is it all about and try to look at the line of argument developed or narrated in the lecture, also in the passage. So that's going to be very important for you. You would have to ensure that you get the exact combination of ideas and sequence them one after the other and organize them in terms of giving the correct thesis statement and developing subtopical statements with valid reasons and examples one after the other within the given time. So total time given to you is around 20 minutes. So you have 3 minutes time given for listening, another 3 minutes time given for you to read and understand the passage. So the remaining 14 minutes, you'll have to type it out. Remember, your typing speed is as important as your ability to organize ideas and present those ideas. And it's quite important to provide a very valid and clear-cut point of view in your conclusion. And you should use a wide range of vocabulary and collocations to prove that you are extremely good in your presentation. In order to crystallize your ideas, try using online writing labs. Get the guidance of certified TOEFL trainers or consultants available very nearby. You can always enroll for our online training program on TOEFL online coaching programs that we offer here. We have premium packages and intensive training programs available for you. In this particular program, we do help you to increase your vocabulary, enrich your collocations and usage, and we'll also give you one-on-one feedback on your writing and help you to organize your writing, synthesize your ideas, and provide valid reasoning with examples, etc. So make sure that you make use of this particular program and improve yourself in a very big way. Hope this particular video helps you in a very big way. You can always log into www.fluencycenter.org. That is FLUENCYCENTER.org. You can also visit me at www.thinksmarttoday.com. That is THINKSMARTTODAY.com. You can also visit me at mangalaprataban.com. That is www.mangalaprataban.com. Wish you all success. If you want to know more information, please visit us. Call us at any point of time. Bye bye. See you.